Well, we are starting a big project. We're going to take the carpet out, and right now Greek is tearing the sofa apart, and we're going to get a new sofa to go along with it. So the sofa has so many screws in it that you don't know where they're at. They're hidden. We've taken the bottom part off. It's a sofa bed. So we'll take more as it goes on the way. Bye. For now. So we had to take the sofa out in parts. And now we're going to pull the carpet and see how things looks underneath of it before we put the new carpet in.
Donate your Arizona tax credit to help families and get folks back on their feet.
No. I forgot to turn it on. The carpet had no padding underneath of it, but there's styrofoam underneath an eighth of an inch the plywood.
This is a jump starter for your car's batteries, but it's also an auto inflator as well. It does both
and they've got it glued in, and then it's got bolts in the back.
I just got one bolt. It's, according to that, it should have two. But one is missing, so I think somebody replaced this board. And they put that bolt in. Because see, I can see daylight where the thing's sticking up.
Yeah.
And I can see it underneath where I was looking at underneath. And I can see it. The center ones don't have no bolts. There's a little hole there. They got like a plug in it. This one doesn't have anything on it. I don't know if this carpet is dirt in there.
Could them be spacers?
Well, this is supposed to be like, it goes all the way down. I can see underneath the outside. On this one, I don't see the outside.
Then it's missing, and they didn't put it back in if when they did it?
Yep. Man, this one here is flush. It goes underneath.
Yeah. So we're going to have to get a dolly and plug those holes.
Oh, I got something in there. I think I got something in there.
Well, they put the carpet underneath the stove. And a lot of places they screw it in instead of, and then other places they glue it in. It's like you don't know what you're going to come up with when you try to take it. And then different spots they've got nail strips, carpet strips. So you have a choice of whatever you're going to put in. So the hunt is on. You never know what you find. You take the stripping off the front of the carpet off the front of the stove, and they pieced it together with a rubber slide to keep stuff from going underneath the slide. That needs to be replaced now. We're going to try to see if we can find that tomorrow. The carpet, so far, we've discovered does not have any padding under it. And they put the carpet down and then put the cabinets and the seats on top of the carpet.
Alrighty. Well, that's part of the couch. And that's what the old carpet looks like. You'll see when I get done with the new one. What I did, I kind of cheated. Okay? Instead of pulling all the cabinets and slide out because the carpet goes underneath the slide and you can't get to it. It's a whole new plate. I looked at it. That's the couch board. and I just went around the edges, got a little bit extra, so when I stapled down, they got it mostly glued at certain places. In certain places they got strips. I want to try it and see what happens. I'm going to use some strips, plus I'm going to use some of that glue. But that's how that old carpet looks like. And I'll show you a picture of the regular one. That's the tile we're going to go. But right there's the tile and the carpet. I'm not going to glue or do anything till I put the tile underneath it. Then I'm going to staple right over the top, because that's exactly what they did. They stapled it. Some places got screws, some places got nails. So that's about it for right now. I know you don't want me to see me pulling carpet out and stuff like that. So that's why I'm skipping a lot of the videos. I mean, a lot of the work that I'm doing. I'm just showing you the before and after pictures, and I'll come back when I get some of the carpet done. Okay, we got the carpet out. That's what it looks like. The insulation's pretty well glued. That's a new piece we put in. I just did that yesterday. But I'm moving south. It's hard to put it out there, and it's windy outside, and cloudy. I don't know how it's going to go. Let me show you this. Doghouse last. But insulation, it's all glued up there because the front end of the compartment is all so metal.
It's where we find our David Chasanoff. He breaks down what happened.
See that? Where they glue that insulation down, that's all metal. They can't do anything. Well, they could, but they didn't do it. It's easier to glue it. So we're going to try the same thing. That's behind the chair.
So officers rushed to this area after receiving a call about shots fired at a house party shortly after midnight.
This is underneath the table.
Decided to replace the tile in the kitchen, the hallway, and the bathroom. But we discovered that we could not tack the carpet down until we got the tile down. But in the course of putting the tile down and the carpet down, we've discovered that nothing is square. It is crooked. To the left, where you see my foot, is wider than it is on the right. Then, when you go in the bathroom, you got a jigsaw puzzle. You got the corner here, corner there. They put the tile down They put the linoleum down before they put anything else down. And then the cupboards aren't level or square and nothing else.